Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at React Redux and how it works with TypeScript. We're going to define types for action and action creator. If you're totally new to React Redux, this is the video for you. We are going to make a simple to-do application so that we can explain all the concepts easily. Now let's jump into the demo quickly. This is not different from other to-do applications. As we put in the tasks, they're placed into the incomplete section. You can click on tick, mark them as complete, and it can be deleted afterwards from any section. Let's start setting up the project. The command is npx create react app. The name of our application, I'm just going to name it React Redux Typescript. As this is a TypeScript application, we have to pass the following argument: template TypeScript. This will create our TypeScript application. I'll cut to the next clip as this is going to take time. Now let's install some dependencies. We are going to need React Redux, Redux itself, Bootstrap for styling, and React Bootstrap. You can use any other styling library like Material UI and many more. All our dependencies have been installed. Now let's jump into the code. I'm going to use VS Code for this project. This is the standard template layout of TypeScript. I'm going to delete some files which we don't need for this project. We don't need setup, web vitals, logo, we need index, we don't need CSS files, and that's all. We're going to write the app component from scratch. So let's make a folder called app, and let's make a main file in it. Now in index.tsx, let's remove this web vitals and let's import the app correctly. So app. Okay. I'm also going to add a parameter to this tsconfig file, which is base URL, and set it to src. This will help us in future for importing different files, as it is going to give us absolute path from src. Now let's start writing our first component. I'm going to import React from React. We're going to write a functional component. So the syntax goes like this. And we're going to default export it as app. As we are using TypeScript, we have to define the type of this variable. We do that using a colon and using an inbuilt type called react.fc. This defines the functional component. As you can see, this is already giving me an error as it wants me to return some JSX. So let's do that. So return a div. All the errors have gone. Let's look at our website. It is looking for index.css. So we forgot to remove this. Great. Now we can see a white screen. As this project mainly concentrates on React Redux, I'm going to copy paste some of the styling. I'm going to turn this into a multi-line JSX. And I'm going to import some of the components from Bootstrap React. I'm going to wrap this in a container and going to add an input element. Let's see how this looks. So our styling is complete. Okay, this is all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.